USB flash drives are tiny gadgets which are used to store personal data, such as documents, videos, and pictures. Because of their size, USB flash drives are easy to carry from one place to another. These small devices comes in various sizes and can store up to 256 GB of data without causing any trouble. There are many products available to choose USB flash drives, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best USB flash drives from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SanDisk 256 GB Extreme Pro USB. SanDisk is one of the most trusted names in the world of portable storage devices. They are known for providing quality memory sticks. SanDisk Extreme Pro is ideal for professionals that needs to transfer large files and take them on the go. This is one of the best USB flash drive for 4K video files. The drive is pretty fast. It can transfer a full-length 4K video in under 15 seconds. The drive has pretty standard looks. It has a dark aluminum casing. The SanDisk logo is branded just below the USB connector along the black stripe that goes through the center of the stick. The drive aluminum casing helps protecting internals from getting damaged. For further data protection, the drive also comes with 128-bit AES encryption, supported SanDisk Secure Access software under ScorPro Deluxe to recover accidental deleted video files. The drive is blazingly fast. Its read speed can reach up to 400 MB per second, and write speed up to 380 MB per second, making it ideal USB flash drive for storing 4K video files. Number 2. Samsung Bar Plus 256 GB. Samsung Bar Plus is great affordable USB flash drive for your Ultra HD 4K video collections. Samsung has more or less stuck with the basic design of this pen drive, only giving it harder edges. The flash drive is offered in two colors, Titan Gray and Champagne Silver. The top of the drive has company branding, and the bottom has capacity written. The metallic build quality of this product is pretty solid and can withstand in harsh environment. The flash drive has pretty great performance thanks to its VNAND memory technology. Its read speed can reach up to 400 MB per second, and write speed can reach around 200 MB per second. The product also comes with many safeguards such as waterproof, high temperature proof, shockproof, and magnetic proof. The memory stick is fully compatible with USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 standards, and can work with all kinds of operating systems. Positive side of this product: amazing read-write speed, attractive design, suitable for UHD. Number 3. Samsung Fit Plus USB 3.1 Flash Drive 128 GB. The Samsung Fit Plus is incredibly small, attractive, reasonably priced, and is only about the size of your caps lock key of your PC keyboard. Designed to plug into a port seamlessly without blocking the adjacent ports. The USB 3.1 device can reach maximum data read speeds of up to 300 MB per second, and write speed of up to 100 MB per second. If you prefer portability, then this USB flash drive is an excellent choice for you for 4K video usage. Additionally, it is also great to flicking to expand the memory of Chromebook or affordable Windows 10 notebook on the cheap. The flash drive comes with many protections as well, such as waterproof, shockproof, short circuit protection, and X-ray proof. Only drawback which I can think of it is that this device is too small, so just don't lose it. Positive side of this product: various data protections, water and magnetic proof, 5 years of warranty. Number 4. Corsair Flash Voyager USB 3.1 Flash Drive. This pen drive is probably the fastest storage device, making it one of the best flash drive for 4K video storage. The design of the flash drive is beautiful, as it features a black metal structure and a small red GTX detail written on it. It has dimensions of 46.8 x 112.6 x 119.4 mm, and is a little bulky cause of its metallic material build. It has premium rugged zinc alloy housing protecting its internals from getting damaged if accidentally drop the flash drive. The memory stick has a removable cap and a hook to hang on your keychain. We can also see an LED indicator that lights up when plugged into the system. Number 5. Vansony USB Flash Drive 256 GB. Vansony is not a well-known name, but they sure made pretty amazing memory sticks. The flash drive comes in black color and has retractable design. This is another one of the best USB flash drive for 4K video storage. On the top it has kind of switch, using it you can push connector out or in. USB connector is latest super fast USB 3.1, ensuring maximum performance. The flash drive has amazing speed. Its read speed can reach up to 400 MB per second, and write speed can reach up to 380 MB per second. You can store all kinds of data in this USB flash drive, including 4K video files. The drive is fully compatible with all kinds of operating systems, and can work with both MacBook and Windows PC. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.